trolling motors come in handy in a vast assortment of applications, for instance, in fishing kayaks. It entails figuring out the battery that will best meet your needs and pair well with your trolling motor. It's based on your fishing setup. For many anglers, the main aspect to keep in mind is the motor's runtime, then finding a battery that provides the goods. In this video, we will show you guys the 7 best trolling motor batteries you could buy now. You can easily decide which is best for you. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump to the video. Number 7. Universal Power Group 12V VRLA Battery. The Universal Power Group 12V VRLA battery wraps up your search. It's perfect for many exhilarating outdoor activities such as camping and fishing and is compatible with RVs. It delivers a remarkable 100 Ah, and this battery provides sufficient charged power to large and small trolling boats. As an AGM battery, the Universal Power Group 12V makes maintenance the least of your worries. It's entirely sealed and won't demand fluid refills. It also implies that the battery withstands shocks and vibrations without impacting its performance. So, the battery's performance won't take a nosedive if you're accelerating or cruising on choppy water. The Universal Power Group 12V battery is compact, measuring 12.17 inches x 6.61 inches x 9.16 inches and weighing about 64 pounds. Number 6. VMAX MR127 Maintenance-Free Battery. The VMAX MR127 maintenance-free battery is the unique physical and chemical structure of its plates. It also maximizes the VMAX resistance to shocks and vibrations. Its unique manufacturing process and special treatment that this deep cycle trolling motor battery pack has undergone guarantees exceptional reliability, unmatched performance, and strength. The uniquely designed absorbed glass mat layered between the VMAX plates gives this battery added electrical and physical perks. In turn, this makes it better than wet lead-acid batteries. Moreover, the AGM optimizes the MR127's resistance to vibrations and shocks. It fully absorbs the electrolyte and is regarded as non-hazardous and spill-proof. In addition, a sturdy tank encloses and protects the close-knit plates that deliver the VMAX MR127 is maintenance-free. While the tanks are known for their longevity, their uncanny ability to recover after redundant deep discharges makes them a great option. Number 5. Optima OPT8016-103 Marine Battery. The Optima OPT8016-103 Marine Battery has spiral lead plates for superior efficiency and unmatched durability. In addition, the spiral counterparts deliver up to 15x greater resistance to vibrations than flat plates. It weighs 43.5 pounds and measures 10 inches x 6.75 inches x 7.8 inches. It is more compact and lightweight than a plethora of similarly sized motor batteries. So, the 8016-103D34M lasts longer while outperforming other 12V55 Ah batteries, thus giving you great value for your money. Secondly, it can deliver 750 cold cranking amps, which means you can power up the motor even in the harsh winters. Thirdly, it boasts an impressive charging rate. Courtesy of the low internal resistance, this trolling motor battery has the uncanny ability to recharge up to 90% in less than 1 hour. Number 4. VMAX MR96-60 High Performance Battery. The VMAX MR96-60 high-performance battery features military-grade plates, and this battery can handle vibrations better than its rivals. Thus, this boosts its efficiency. With a 60 Ah rating, the VMAX MR96-60 control motors that fall between 30 and 50 pounds. Thus, it offers up to 3 hours of runtime on high settings and 6 hours on lower settings. This battery weighs 45 pounds and is lighter than most of its 100 Ah counterparts. Despite its lightweight nature, the battery provides immense power while maintaining compatibility with most trolling motor sizes. As an AGM battery, the contents are fully sealed. So, there's no need to worry about leaks. As a more compact battery, the VMAX MR96-60, with dimensions of 9 inches x 5 points and 5 inches x 8 points, is an excellent option for smaller boats. Moreover, as a deep cycle battery, it can last up to 6 years if you refrain from entirely discharging it with every use. Number 3. Mighty Max Battery 12V100AH Battery. The Mighty Max Battery 12V100AH battery provides sufficient power for any excursion out on the water. Remember, while your motor's power impacts the duration it lasts. The trolling motor at low speed settings, for instance, then the battery can take you up to 12 hours before a recharge is needed. But this works with motors of different power, ranging from 60 pounds, 30 pounds, 50 pounds, or 40 pounds of thrust. Upon adjusting it to medium power, you'll get an impressive 7 hours. But on the highest speed settings, you'll net up to 2.5 hours of charge. For starters, it weighs about 64 pounds, which means it significantly adds weight to your boat. Secondly, it's bulky, with dimensions of 12.17 inches x 6.61 inches x 8.30 inches. As an AGM, the Mighty Max 12V battery is sealed, thus elevating performance and durability while guaranteeing no loss of charge or leakages from vibrations. Number 2. Odyssey Battery 34MP-1500ST Dual-Purpose Battery. The Odyssey Battery 34MP-1500ST Dual-Purpose Battery has unmatched deep cycling capability and starting power. With thrice the life and overall power of the conventional counterparts, this marine battery is perfect for powering various onboard electronics, trolling, and RVs. The impressive cold cranking amp of 880 and deep cycling capacity make it an extraordinary battery pack. Its design comprises pure virgin lead plates for optimized recycling, increased surface area, excellent conductivity, and an AGM construction that gets rid of acid spills. Moreover, the cranking battery has corrosion-resistant tin-coated brass terminals, a self-regulating relief valve, a high-integrity terminal seal, and tough flame-retardant cell containers. The Odyssey 34MP-1500ST packs 15% greater surface area into its case than other spiral cell batteries of the same size. Number 1. Mighty Max Battery 12V55Ah Powerboat Battery. The Mighty Max Battery 12V55Ah Powerboat Battery pairs well with 30 to 50 pounds thrust motors. For instance, using it on a 30-pound motor provides a maximum of 4 hours of power at higher speed settings. So, if you take things down by a few notches, it's a no-brainer to prolong the battery life to give up to 8 hours based on the water conditions and motor draw. Even so, you can expect a decent remaining charge because the battery will struggle to discharge unless used all day at higher speeds. In addition, while this product generates more power than the smaller 35Ah counterparts, it's pleasantly compact and lightweight. The Mighty Max Battery 12V55Ah Deep Cycle battery weighs 38.5 pounds, which makes it the go-to option for medium and small boats. An AMG battery can be installed in almost any position without leaking concerns. It indicates that the performance won't diminish from frequent vibrations, and no maintenance is required. Make sure to check the description box for all the links regarding the mentioned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We will be back with more videos soon.